Hey, good afternoon, everybody. John again from Volkswagen Planet. So now I'm working on trying to get the engine fired up. Temporarily, I've got all the wires hooked up properly, going to the generator, going to the choke, and the coil, and everything else. I got power going everywhere, but whatever this thing is, this thing seems to be heating up. And I don't know what, I think this is where you put the jets, but for some reason this is getting a lot of heat. I traced the wires everywhere, and I just don't know what's going on. I use the proper wires. Don't mind these wires dangling just like that, because that has nothing to do with it. But like I said, there's only one wire going in, and that goes supposedly to the coil. So if I'm doing something wrong, please comment below. If I'm doing something right, comment below. And just why would this take some heat? And I'm not talking about like on fire, but it's got a pretty good temperature to it. You can tell it's a lot hotter than what it should be. So if I'm doing something wrong, if something needs to be adjusted or cleaned, if you ever came across this, comment below, help me out, and we'll catch you on the next video. God bless and take care.